Alright, so this is a sub-panel install I did someday. So it's for workbench and some outlets. It's going to be a switch right here along with a extra light. It's going to be a plug right here. It's connected to this switch, which will control this light. It's a 60 amp sub panel connected to an old Challenger panel. This Challenger panel is fine. Actually, the main breaker works, and the bus bar is good. So I ran 6.3 Romex to a 60 amp breaker. So it comes up to here. I'm gonna add an extension ring there because I looked up some code and I realized, oh wait, I need an extension ring because the cubic inch rating of the box is not enough. And then it just runs to some 3/4 inch conduit and it goes to that panel. This is an MLO, or main lug only. So I also have the NM connector back in there and also behind that box. So it's just a quick overview of this installation. I know this panel is very messy. This home was built in like 1976. That's when it was built. So very old panel, very old stuff. Yeah.